One morning, a small dog was walking slowly. He didn't know where to go, but he was escaping from loneliness. He stopped in front of a huge tree with twisting roots. There, he spotted an old leaf with mysterious symbols on it. He didn't understand anything, but curiosity led him to try it. He set off running through the forest, crossing streams as if nature itself was pushing him forward. But suddenly, a blanket of leaves broke beneath his feet, and he fell into a dark, deep hole. The hole was narrow, cold, and had no exit. Then he heard a soft scratching sound.